Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and I wanted to share with you the projects that I finished for the Open Gate Quilt Box, the January subscription box. I've, I've got a link below where I showed when I opened the box, but I have finished both my projects, and I thought you might want to see them. This one here, that's a lilac lace, which is a 26-inch square. And here's mine. I think it's beautiful. Purple's not my color, so I will probably gift that to someone. What I also did is for the back, I used 4 fat quarters that had been in my stash for quite a while. So, and they all had a little bit of purple for the colors that would work. But I thought that turned out pretty neat. And I just did a simple meandering free motion quilting on my domestic, my 1591 vintage Singer sewing machine. I love this sewing machine, so I use it a lot. So that was project 1. That was the big project. You always get one big project and then a smaller one. The second project, which I don't have the fabrics anymore. My first video would show them, but you received enough fabrics to make a 9-inch square that you could use for a mug rug or different projects. She also had a contest going on, or she has one going on, to make a 9.5-inch block and submit it for a contest. So that's what I did. I've already submitted it, and then I went ahead and made it into like a little candle mat. But here's what I did. So I took all of the cream fabric. You had to use the fabrics. I think she said what you had to use at least 2. Let's see. You can use all of them or just a few. I used almost all of them. I think I had one of gold that I did not use. But so I did a little applique, and then I quilted the back. The background is string quilting, so I just took strips of all the different fabrics that she included and put it. So I think that turned out really, really, really cute. What do you think of that? I have been really enjoying the Open Gate quilt boxes. This one here, this was in the December box, and it's beautiful. I also, this one was in my November. I've already showed you this. This November. There's the back. And then there was a big wall hanging. I can't find it. I have a feeling my daughter might have taken it. She has a habit of doing that when she comes over. But so I said, so it's 3 months I've been getting the Open Gate Quilts boxes, and I am very happy with them. So that might be something that you'll want to look into because they're fun. And like I said, you get one big project and then one small one. You get a notion of the month. And I also RFL thread. Oh, and then there's one fat quarter that you received, that I received. And I'm not sure. I'm not sure where it is. But I think this is a subscription that's well worth it. I pay for it myself. So let me know what you think of this. And let me know what you think of this. I think this is cute. I thought I'd come over here and show this to you a little better. You can see how long it is. And the quilting that I did on it. And the fabric that I put on the back. So that's another project that's very cute. Thank you.